Available units: Honda XRM 125 Fi, digital panel board, spoke ring, disc brake front and back. Two variants, may isa brake drum. Honda RS 125, Honda Click. May mga standard version saka limited edition. Honda Beat, PCX, Honda PCX 160cc. Astig kaayo. Maganda din ng Honda Beat. Ganda kasi premium kaayo. Naka-emblem siya. Gold rims na. Honda Beat. Meron din tayong Suzuki Raider 150cc, liquid cooled, kamags na, tubeless. Meron din tayong Honda Winner. Yan, Honda Winner X, kamags na, pogi kayo. Digital panel board, dual disc brake front and back. Suabing-suabe. The legendary TMX 155 or 125A. Meron. CRF. Honda CRF. Then KLX 150. Kawasaki. Pangporma. Ayan. Puging-pugi. Ayan, mga available, no? At saka pang kabuhayan, Kawasaki Badja. Super tipid sa gasolina, no? Brand new kaayo, mga Morge. Ayan. New model. May electric start na siya. Pili lang. PM for more info and for application, please contact me. Thank you.